What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I'm doing a super exciting video. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this trend that's floating around YouTube that's like, I created a tutorial from another YouTuber, and they're always like makeup videos. I feel like I kind of missed the boat on this, but I was like moving and doing all sorts of things, so I decided I'm just gonna do it anyway. Maybe you guys will enjoy it, and I wanted to do it with nail art. I didn't want to do it with makeup tutorials, so that's what we're doing today. I decided out of all of the nail artists on YouTube, obviously I'm gonna have to go with Simply Nailogical, aka Cristine. So I reached out to her, I asked her if it was cool if I could recreate one of her nail art tutorials. She said good luck, because she does not have many of them, and that is true. It took me a really long time to scroll through and find one that I could do, like something that I have the tools for or long enough nails for. Let me tell you, it was a struggle. So I actually found a video from 2015. I'm gonna be playing it on my phone.
Hello everyone.
That's what we're gonna be doing. Doing some Sharpie nail art. So I've actually never done this before, so I wanted to do something that I've never tried. And yeah, I thought this would be a cool one to do. I've got my camera right here, so I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of my nail. I'll also show you what's going on her screen, and then we've got this camera right here so you guys can see as I make weird facial expressions doing it. I don't know. I will tell you guys though, this camera, because I have my tripod right here with my other camera, this camera is just like sitting on a bunch of boxes, and I'm so nervous that it's just gonna fall over and just absolutely get, I don't know what's gonna happen, so let's just hope I don't like hit the table or anything crazy. So whatever, let's just get started, right? Okay.
The permanent markers for, well, another use they're not supposed to be used for. You know what I'm talking about.
I think this looks really cool though.
On your arms with Sharpie markers
and I used to do that.
No. So if these look familiar, they are familiar, but I used a completely different technique this time than I did with my last ones. Start off by painting your nails white because colors show up best on white.
That's
Imagine
true.
that. Add a quick dry top coat because we're gonna add nail files.
Okay, cool. We're gonna pause for a sec. I am gonna be using base coat. I'm using my Cuccio base coat that I always use, and then I'm gonna do a couple of coats of OPI Alpine Snow. So I'm just gonna show you guys one nail because that's how I do it. We're gonna go at an angle here. Okay, I've not done, I didn't realize how close I would be. Oh. I forgot to press record. Okay, I forgot to press record, but I just put base coat on this nail, so I gotta wait for it to dry. I feel like this is gonna be like a lot of pauses because you have to wait for things to dry when you do nail art. I don't know. I'm also only gonna do this hand because when I paint my nails, I only paint one hand at a time. I just think it's easier. Okay, so I just got a brand new bottle of OPI Alpine Snow. It's my favorite white nail polish. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 or 2 coats of that. I'm feeling like it's probably just gonna be 1 coat. This is like a 1 coater for me. I don't know about you guys. I just have really small nails. God, there's nothing better than a new bottle. Alrighty. Getting a little sloppy, that's okay because I'm gonna clean it up. We're just gonna do 1 coat, because why not? I'm usually like, but we'll see. Actually, I think now that I just did that, I can see that I probably do need a 2nd coat of this. I'm actually gonna pause this. I'm gonna do a 2nd coat. I'm gonna put on some top coat. I actually just got a new Cuccio top coat because it's like my favorite top coat. Wow. I'll be right back. Oh, and I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then we'll keep watching the rest of this tutorial. So just give me like, I don't know. I mean, it's gonna be a second for you guys, but for me, it's gonna be like 20 minutes, so. BRB. Okay, we're back. This hand, I think it's dry. We're just gonna go with it. Oh man, I just realized you can see how messy my bed is in the background. Was it like that before? Let's move it. How's that? Okay, let's keep going.
Ooh, look at all these Sharpies. I probably bought them one day at Staples when I had no actual use for all these colors.
I actually just ran to CVS to buy these.
You can get the rainbow. You're also gonna need some alcohol. No, not that kind of alcohol.
That was a cheesy joke, sorry guys.
I use rubbing alcohol.
I did buy rubbing alcohol as well. We're gonna skip ahead because she actually doesn't end up using these. I watched it.
I don't know. I got a better idea because y'all know how much I love yogurt.
Oh, she says y'all? That's a problem. Okay, I don't have a yogurt lid, but I do have like a little canvas thing. Which I'm gonna use. Canvas thing? What do they call it? It's like the thing that you put paints in. I don't remember. Wait, you're going too fast. Okay, here's my thingy. We are going to, oh, let me focus my camera a little bit better. All right, here's my pink marker. We're just gonna draw all over the bottom of the palette. That's what it's called, a palette. What did I call it, a canvas? All right, that's good. I'm gonna take, I have this like old kind of gross brush that's a little stained already, and I'm just gonna dip it directly in. Let's keep watching.
I don't know why. Maybe it's Is it a bigger surface area to make a mess? I'm not sure. More colors, yes.
Oh.
I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm just testing that, but it's gonna work. So you should also do this and have fun before you start your nail art because it's very satisfying.
This is actually fun. I love Sharpie smell.
Now watch what happens when I add even more alcohol into the Sharpie ink. This is where you start to see that really cool watercolor effect because it kind of cools and separates and almost looks like bacteria under a microscope. I don't know. It's got this cool outline thing going on when I try and experiment with it. I am a genius. Yes. Perfect.
You're smart.
Perfect.
I'll give it to you.
Let's begin. So I could just take all these different colors of Sharpie ink and put them randomly like blobs all over my nail, but that's kind of boring to be honest, and that's been done before. So instead, we're going to put the Sharpie ink over nail vinyls because nail vinyls are the pinnacle of creativity. But before we begin, we got to protect our cuticles with some Simply Peel good stuff. Link is always in the video description.
You know what I just realized? Oh, pause. I just realized that I don't even have my usual liquid latex. Like I buy a cheap one because why not save money? I don't know where it is. It must be like unpacked somewhere. So, or packed somewhere I guess. But I did get this Mani-Mask latex-free cuticle protector from Bundle Monster. Never used it before. It's like a liquid latex alternative. So I guess we're just gonna try that today and we'll see if it works. Cause I was gonna do like a test, but I guess now is the test. Oh, it's actually super thin. Let's see what it's like. Ooh, it's like watery. Okay. Interesting. Sorry if I'm really close right now. Yeah, I'd really rather not stain my cuticles. You can also use tape though. You don't need to use anything crazy expensive. I just use like this liquid latex that I buy on Amazon for $6 and it's like a tub and I just put it into an empty nail polish bottle. I can't even find the tub though because I have an empty nail polish bottle right here, so I was like, oh, maybe I'll just do it really quick. But I can't find that tub. I think I'm gonna do a second coat of this because it looks like there's not that much going on. I don't know. So we're gonna do that. I can see why people wouldn't do this for nail art because there's a lot of pausing and there's a lot of waiting for things to dry. So I'll do it. I'll bear it back. Okay, I just got that latex alternative on my brand new camera. It's okay. We'll pretend it's okay. Okay, I'm low-key stressing about this because you can see it's like not, it doesn't look like it's gonna be enough. I don't know. Maybe I should use tape, but I can't find my tape either. So let's just keep going.
If you don't do this, and the Sharpie ink is gonna get all up in our cuticles, and then we're gonna
That's what's gonna happen to me.
Colored, weird cuticles.
It's not gonna be permanent, but it's gonna look bad.
After the Simply Peel is on, we're gonna peel up our nail vinyls and apply them on our nails. And sometimes I miss a few little thingies in between, but I just put it on the reverse side of the nail vinyl.
So I don't have those nail vinyls either. She gets hers, I think, from Twinkle Tea. I get mine from What's Up Nail Store. So I like looked at cute patterns that I have and I was like, which one should I do? So I have these stars, which I'll show you guys. Look at these, so cute, right? So we're gonna use those instead.
And bam, all the spaces are out and we're ready to go. The beauty of these nail vinyls is that you can use whatever pattern you want and you won't have had to draw it on yourself. I'm using diamonds here, but there's also heart designs and mermaid vinyls and Moroccan vinyls and all these other kinds of vinyls.
Jeez, these will not come out. I've actually never shopped at Twinkle Tea. I get all of my latex, not latex. Cristine, calm down for a second. I get all of mine from the What's Up Nail Store. I think I've used them from different stores before. I honestly think they're all just the same. We're just gonna put that on my nail. Oh my god, I hope it's dry enough. Does anybody else get like super stressed out when you put a vinyl on because you're like, oh, it's not gonna be dry enough? I feel like maybe I should wait longer. I don't know. It seems fully dry. I'm just stressing. I always get stressed about this. Okay, we're just gonna do it, whatever.
My nails are quite curved. Make sure the vinyl is pressed down super firmly to the nail. This is important. Now you can revert to your child self and take out that frustration of being told by your parents to not scribble all over the wall.
Ooh, I used to do that when I was a kid.
Did I say take? I meant to take some alcohol and then put it on the Sharpie ink. And then you're going to take your alcohol-soaked Sharpie ink and put it all over your nails on top of the vinyl. What a great combination of chemicals to be sniffing in the nails. And then took some more alcohol and blended it with the pink and
oh my god. Look at how these stars are like.
Look at gradient all of a sudden. Then I added
That's
some
cool.
pink Sharpie on my nails, but I
Pause. You're going too fast. This looks crazy. I'm kind of obsessed. Do you guys see what's happening to the stars? A little purpley action in here. Oh, I don't think this is pressed down enough. It's hard to follow any nail tutorial. Like I know mine goes super fast too, but it's like hard to follow them because they go so fast. I think all of us sort of skip through all the in-betweens, so it seems like we're just moving super fast, but like honestly when I film one of my nail videos, just doing the one nail honestly takes forever. I think this is working. I'm like worried because you can see that the top part here did not stay down. I'm like not even sure if I should try to put anything over there. I don't know why mine's not showing up as dark as hers. Do you guys see that? Maybe it's because the marker that I'm using wasn't as strong. I don't know. We're just gonna call it. This is fine. And I'm drooling like a tiny bit too.
A different brush because I wasn't sure if my blue brush
We're just gonna focus on this one nail for now.
Sharpie ink. It turns out you can wash Sharpie ink off with acetone.
Oh, she did multiple layers. Okay.
The coolest part about using vinyls for this technique is not just that you're gonna have colored diamond shapes. It's that the more alcohol and Sharpie ink you add in between each little vinyl shape, the more of an outline shape effect you're gonna get.
Mine's actually weirdly opposite.
The ink kind of pools around the edges of each shape, but I don't know.
That top part's gonna be so messed up. I already
When you're
know
done
it.
your messy masterpiece, just peel off the vinyl to reveal that beautiful effect.
Oh my god.
Feel like no big deal, and yes, I realize it kind of
That did not
so to kind of clean
work at all.
Just take a cleanup brush. I'm using my favorite ones from Twinkle Tea, a super skinny thin one.
I was like ready. I have a cleanup brush and everything. Okay,
but wait,
I feel like this is... I'm so embarrassed that this is what this looks like right now. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna peel off this. Oh my god, this was the biggest fail I've ever had. Okay, well, the liquid latex works nicely. That doesn't even look, that doesn't even look like stars. Oh, you know what? Okay, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna try this on another nail. She cut her vinyls so that they would fit to her nail a little bit better. I don't think I've ever uploaded any fails on my channel before. I mean, I do, I make mistakes. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna use a different one. I reuse vinyls sometimes just because they're still sticky enough to use them multiple times. We're gonna put it on this finger. I need to be close to this, hold on, but I'll show you guys on my real camera for a second, but we're gonna do this cut thing that she did. Oh, I'm stressing now. All right, let's try this again. It's okay, we can do this, okay. Okay, all right, now we got this nail. We're gonna try this again. We got our alcohol, we got our colors. We're just gonna start putting the colors on. Maybe, did she say that you had to wait for it to dry? Oh, what I did wrong. I swear, I use these vinyls all the time and they're so good. It almost looks like it's not reacting well with my polish, maybe? I promise, if you guys are new to my channel, I promise I'm usually good at nail art. Just why is this turning out so badly? Do you guys see what's happening where it's like it's almost like repelled? All right, let's see what happens here. It looks promising from what I just peeked. Okay, no, that didn't work either. Shoot. Oh, okay, I guess we'll just finish watching the video and I'll just cry over here.
What? I put a regular glossy top coat on my pinky finger and it majorly desaturated the colors. See, look what happens. Look at that science. What's happening? Why is it doing that? I don't know.
I actually did test it with my my Cuccio top coat and that did not happen.
And it's not diluting. Now you've often seen me use fun
I'm gonna censor that. And I have a holographic top coat that I was gonna use. I was gonna use my Surf top coat. I think my camera just died.
These nails actually turned out to be
No, it
permanent.
didn't.
Now after you've added the hollow top coat and let it dry, then it's safe to put on.
Let's add some holographic
Peel
top
off the
coat.
nail and make it super shiny. So basically the moral of the story is that you need a hollow top coat to protect you from all bad things in the world. Except for you, Pinky. But you did martyr yourself for the well-being of all my other nails, so we think.
See, I feel like that actually did
now that I
ruin
think
the color
about it,
too.
the way
Oh,
the Pinky turned out
sorry.
kind of reminds me of how it
This
depends
doesn't look
on
as saturated to me
going for.
either.
Me
I mean, this is a
personally, I
fail.
want more.
Like, let's try to use my Cuccio top coat and see what happens. I'm just curious now. I mean, this was a fail. Eee. Oh. Oh my gosh, okay. I actually think it looks better. I think it looks better now And this, look at these two nails. Oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna bother doing the rest of my nails because obviously I cannot do this. I am a failure.
More colors and more hollow. Hope you enjoyed this look, guys. Now I'm off to eat some more yogurt. See you next time. Bye.
Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Okay, so that just happened. It was a huge fail. I did a terrible job, and yeah, I don't know. Do you guys want me to try this again? I feel like I've never failed so hard in my life. Well, that's not true, but I've never failed so hard on YouTube. Oh man. Okay, well, great tutorial from Cristine. Terrible reenactment from Kelli. I don't even know, like, look at this. Can you guys see what this tragedy is right now? This is bad. Okay, well, that was it. That was a huge fail. If you guys want me to try a different tutorial, or if you want me to try this again, if you have any tips for something that I did wrong, I have no idea what I did wrong. Maybe I'll ask Cristine to help me. But yeah, I guess that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to try again, or if you don't want me to try again, because I thrive off of positive reinforcement, so, you know, just give me the thumbs up. I need it. Obviously, I'm gonna be pretty sad, so make me feel better. And yeah, maybe I will just drink this beer, because now I need it. That's a joke, guys. I actually really don't drink, but I had this in my fridge, and she made an alcohol joke, and I was like, oh my god, it'll be so funny if I just pull out a beer. So that's me trying to be funny. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I usually don't fail. I usually do good nail art tutorials, which I'll put a nice playlist up here. You guys can check it out. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts if I should try this again. If you want me to try it with a makeup video, if you want me to try it with another Simply Nailogical video, if you want me to try it with a different nail artist, if you want me to try this one again, let me know. Anything. I will buy different products and try again. I don't know. I'll talk to you guys later. I feel like a failure. All right, bye. Okay, so today's fun fact is related to this video because Cristine kept on talking about how she eats yogurt all the time, and I don't eat yogurt because I'm lactose intolerant, which isn't that much fun. But I do actually eat pizza anyway sometimes, just every once in a while. I didn't when I was in Georgia because pizza is terrible anywhere besides New York and New Jersey, and I stand by that. Maybe, I mean, I'm sure it's good in Italy, but I don't know, pizza's terrible everywhere besides here. So sometimes I do have to have pizza. That's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.